Ako si Mary Joyce Anangan, third year, BA Sociology, running for Social Department Representative.
Okay. Good evening, Ms. Langan. Your first question is, do you see any change in the demographics of UP due to the TOEFL? What can you say about this issue?
Yung sa demographics natin, makikita na talagang malaki yung nagbago. Kung dati, more on, mas marami yung majority na nasa mga parang poor or mga mabababa yung income na family, ganyan. Ngayon, mas dumarami na yung mga from the middle class, mas dumadami na yung mga or yung mga from mas matataas na status ng buhay.
Okay, your next question. Is the Israel invasion of the Gaza Strip justifiable?
Israel? Siguro depende yun sa kanilang yun. Yung sa Israel, siguro hindi. Kasi parang, parang invasion of territory. Na parang nag-expand ng territoriality, ganyan. So, parang nandun, may mga, sure na may mga na-ape, ganyan, may mga marginalized. Ayun.
Okay, last question. Naiyak ka ba sa bagong commercial ng McDonald's? Ano yung naalala mo pag nakikita mo yun?
Anong commercial?
Yung huling LBU.
Yung mga naghahawakan ng kamay, gano'n. Chubanes. Hindi masyado. Pero, na-touch naman kahit papaano. Kasi, parang wala, pinapakita yung kind of love na, faithful pa rin no matter what happened. Hindi.
Okay, maraming salamat.
So I'm Josh San Pedro. I'm second year from BA Anthropology. I'm running for the Anthropology Department representative from Bacolod CSS.
Alright, good evening, Mr. San Pedro. Your first question is, do you see any change in the demography of UP students due to TOEFL? What can you say about this issue?
I guess may change na rin yung demographics within UP since times are changing and there's may economic crisis, so some people can't afford education anymore. For example, the ones in the lower classes. So like yung talagang even lower than E. Sometimes yun sa hirap ng buhay, hindi sila nakapasok ng UP. So dahil nahihirapan sila, kahit sabihin natin, that's why we're pushing up for the STVAP. But regardless of that, sa hirap ng buhay, sometimes, and for some families as well, hindi nagiging priority yung education. And aside from that, yung problem pa with the educational system sa Philippines, para sa primary level, sa secondary level, nag-iiba yung demographic since like some of those people na nagsasuffer nga dun sa state ng education ng country, again, hindi sila nakapasok, so gusto nila sanang pasukan. So, instead, yung mga napupunta sa UP, or some people who can pay, or yung mga anak ng mga nagtrabaho sa UP, or yung mga anak na alumni, so, but that's not to say naman na wala nung iba. Just so happens na there are some more people from this demographic than the other demographic.
Alright, your second question. Is the Israeli invasion of the Gaza Strip justifiable for you?
For me, it's not justifiable since, the Israeli people, the Israelis grabbed this land in the first place from the Palestinians. There's that's not to say that the Israelis don't deserve a homeland. Well, they say that they deserve a homeland. So, and it was respected by the UN, may mandate, nagkaroon ng defined Israel. But to interfere na rin dun sa buhay ng iba. True, they say na they were just answering to the threat of the missiles from Hamas. But they have to consider then that there are people there living in Gaza. There are civilians living in Gaza, and these people will always suffer consequences of such actions. And Israel, being a Jewish state, should remember its own commandments not to harm other people.
Alright, your last question. Naiyak ka ba sa bagong commercial ng McDonald's? Anong naalala mo dito?
Yung pinakita sa akin yung McDonald's commercial ng kaibigan ko sa akin. And parang tumama sa akin. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, marami tayong mga wasted opportunities. Parang mga, siguro hindi tayo nakakapitalize. And, well, sometimes, fate just, comes back to not really bite us, but, remember what it is na we forgotten sa past. Yun yung lumama sa akin.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. San Pedro.